Official. The whistle from Mr.
In Spain, there's some media, for example, Onda Cero.
It's Diakabi, Mukhtar Diakabi, the backup center back, steps to center stage on the score sheet.
As I said earlier, Phil, this is an area where Barcelona have been missing the likes of Piqué.
Denied! Jaume to the rescue, but a chance to equalize on the rebound. Messi gets it done the scenic way.
Well, is this going to stand? Let's take a look. It looks like it is. The celebration's ongoing. Messi doesn't give up. I had a sneaking...
И какой мяч! Центральный защитник Барсы Рональд Араухо. Но я думаю, что весь этот момент, начиная с перехвата Педри, заслужил.
Qué pelota esta, ¿eh? Qué pelota tiraba Guedes. Ojo con el remate. Lo grita el Valencia, lo grita Maxi, en una que tocó de frente al arco, una que va